Left in a hurry yesterday. Oh no. Dirty mug.
It's dark as the darkest of night, so we'll just have to believe
it's a dirty mug.
You dirty mug. There's just too much to do in a day.
I know, I was literally editing till the moment I left.
I just please don't forget your Crocs today. Health and safety is of prime...
Utmost importance.
Utmost importance. Again, left in a hurry. I don't know why we left in a hurry.
Because it was so, like, we're having a heat wave in UK. It's not even summer technically, it's spring. And yeah, it's just finished by 4. You were anyway. Finished at about 11 last night. Never mind, it's worth it. It was also my wedding anniversary today. 14 years married to Kate.
14 years?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's gone quick, isn't it?
Do you remember my speech?
Yes, I do, and we can't repeat a lot of it here.
It wasn't that bad.
No, it was good, but it's not YouTube, you know?
Friendly.
Yeah. How good is he looking, by the way?
Looking great. And the tank is looking...
It's thick and full,
fantastic.
but they don't actually need a ton of like swim room. Like he loves just going around. There's more space around the back.
Pond dweller.
Yeah, it's kind of like a cool
really
pond.
Deep pond.
Don't do anything to this, do we? And it just always looks good.
It looks amazing. Maybe the odd bit of scraping.
Hello, buddy.
Whee.
No, he doesn't even mind. Just let me stroke him. I don't recommend you do that.
We touched on these on Monday.
Yes, we do really need to give
this
it a
is
shot.
becoming seriously.
Cool tattoo, Stefan.
Cheers, mate. My mum thinks it looks like a coat hanger. Ecosystem tank from here looks great with the floaters, though. Just the undercroft view.
What is that a word? Is that a thing?
I don't know. Yeah, I guess it is now. Neck it.
Right, coffee's being drunk, and we need to crack on. Good start, though. So it's been a while since I've shown you guys the 8-foot Paludarium that we made. It's doing really well plant-wise. Some of the mosses are a bit, but that's because I don't put it on all the time. That's a bit dirty.
Full of fish food.
So yeah, I don't leave the water running on this all the time because I'm a little bit like worried. If anything clogs up at the top, it might overflow. Well, it can only overflow forward. I mean, I think I've proven that it works, right?
Yeah,
I've never had an issue.
More about just forgetting it to turn it on.
No, it wasn't. I was literally not putting it on in case. But look, switch it on. It's going up, and then it has to fill the reservoir, of course. I've just noticed something that I haven't noticed before, out of nowhere. Look at this mushroom.
It's amazing.
That's going in the air fryer. I don't even know if that's edible. I'm not going to eat it, but you know. Remember, kids, never eat mushrooms if you don't know what they are 100%.
Absolutely, that's
survival.
Serious advice.
Real survival. So yeah, now we've got everything flowing. As it wicks everywhere, it doesn't drip quite as much, but obviously everything's bone dry because literally dries out straight away. But what I do want to say is that although the mosses don't look made immense, you know, this one for some reason is always green.
Yeah.
It must be one of those
type of moss, isn't it, to the others?
If I was to do this again, I'd probably focus on even more of the plants because look, ivy growing massive. This bird's nest fern just does not stop growing.
It's unfurling in the middle, isn't it?
Even more now. All of these outer ones are brand new as well. And then you've got the Boston ferns, was it? I think it was, yeah, Boston ferns. All new leaves all coming out and just doing fantastic.
This one here as well, looking great. Lots of.
Is it Petunia? I think it was. I can't with that one. All of them doing absolutely brilliant plant-wise. Like it's almost like the every other day or so that we do this flooding, it puts enough moisture into it all that it just all keeps growing and does really good. The mosses though, almost like need a continuous amount of moisture.
Yeah, so sometimes we spray it, don't we? And not turn the whole system on.
Yeah, which does nothing really, does it?
But it gives the mosses a bit of extra moisture. But
I think they might be past.
Yeah.
Either way, it looks quite cool with them on there. I mean, you do get bits in nature where you have stuff that's different tones, don't you?
The bit up there looks like it's more in the water.
Yeah.
But it's definitely got some new shoots on it. But moss is a slow growing thing.
Yeah, exactly.
So
I think this is gone.
Is it? But that was
That
crisp.
one's definitely
it was
gone.
crispy.
It was
You collected
crispy,
it from
yeah.
your tiles, remember?
Yeah, it was.
They sort of hibernate.
And that fern again,
I don't
all
actually
new.
know that factually.
I thought they hibernate and they'd come back.
But in the summer, like now, it's
Yeah.
not summer, it's spring, it's really hot. Like, that mosses aren't getting water all the time.
That's true. That's
And when
true.
they're on rocks and things.
And then they grow back. I reckon this would grow back if we kept it running. Do we risk that? Well, what's the worst that could happen here, right? It can only overflow this way. We know it doesn't leak left, right, and over the top. Just leave it
running.
on.
Let's try it.
Just keep it running.
Let's try it for a week.
Yeah, it's proved its worth. We've got mushrooms.
I can't believe there's a mushroom. That's unbelievable. Not mushroom in here.
Fun guy. So one thing we do definitely need to do though, look, is do a bit of a water change. The wood that I've got in here was brand new and it's leaching so much, but it has been for a while. So I'm pretty sure after we top it up now, it'll stay pretty low. Just needs a bit of a glass scrape, not too much actually, because there's not a huge amount of light down here. Barbs are here, there's some more barbs all dotted around. And then the archer fish are in their usual spots at the back. Really hard to see because it's dark, but I did see them just a second ago.
Yeah, they love it back there. That's their spot.
And also it needs a bit of a top up. Look, you can see the water levels dropped quite a bit. Some scum on the glass. So yeah, let's get that sorted. You filming me? Ah. Right, it's actually turned out more murky than it was. That's just from switching the filter back on. It sort of chucked out a load of gunk, but that'll clear pretty quickly. But that's the maintenance done on this tank now. I'm definitely leaving this on. And it'll be interesting to see if the moss comes back to life as well. So some of you were asking in the last video, where's the Havana Cara gone that I got a while ago? And the male died pretty soon after I got it. But you can see here, this is the female. So she's in with my snail tank. Like, she doesn't bother them at all. Seems to be doing really well in there. I've been looking for a male one, but I haven't seen one turn up yet that is like correct size. I did see one that was way bigger and I didn't really want to risk it, but yeah, she's doing well. It's a shame about the male, but I don't know what happened. It just developed like sickness, I guess, and was in a tank on with just these two, and for whatever reason didn't survive, but this one's doing very well. It's a shame. The males are the ones that are larger and like a bit more sort of colour poppy as well, but she's still quite cute. Nice luminescence on her. In yesterday's vlog, you saw us put in the larger fish back into the 8 foot after receiving treatment, and this morning, things are looking pretty good. I can see, really need to sort that out. So yeah, so far there's only just one little stem that's come up and that could have just broken off. The water this morning was a little bit milky, and it is a slightly milkiness to it now, but it was quite a lot this morning. And that'll just be where they're going down and like digging bits up and thrashing around and exploring. That's absolutely fine. But as the day's gone on, it's actually got clear already. So yeah, everything is good in here. And it's so much nicer seeing the bigger fish in the tank. Like, I do like small fish, don't get me wrong, but even smaller fish behave way differently when they know there's bigger fish, even though they're not like terrorizing them or anything. They just act a little bit different and they hang around in their numbers.
Look at them all.
And also, as you can maybe see, is there too bad reflections at the moment, Steph?
Quite reflective, yeah.
Come in. They're all like over me now because they're like, this is the guy that feeds us. Remember there were some cuts on some of the keyhole cichlids here, and literally they seem like miles better. They're healing pretty much straight away. They're definitely damaged scales rather than actual cuts. So it's just like exposed what's underneath. The only one that's still got a slight nick on it is this guy here who's not turning around. But yeah, all doing really good.
Hello.